Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy prawns pulao recipe. Usually in any pulao or a biryani, making it fluffy is very common, but keeping in mind our little ones and also the elders in our families, I've tried to make a different version, a bit stickier one, and which stays equally good. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 15 to 20 medium-sized shrimps and have deveined and cleaned them. 1 medium onion chopped, half a tomato, or you can take 1/4 of a big tomato, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I have used here organic pearl rice. You can use any rice, so if you want to make it fluffy, use basmati, but this is the brand that I have used. Check the description box for the link as to where you can buy it. 1/8 cup of coconut powder, some water, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, salt to taste, and I have used some dry fruits since my kids love the raisins and cashews, so you can use any, but the raisins go really well. Cooking oil, clarified butter or ghee, and some coconut oil. Let's get going. Put the flame to high and I'm going to use a pressure cooker to make this rice. Add about 2 teaspoons of oil to the pressure cooker. Along with that, add about 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Let both of them kind of mix together and the ghee melts. Just turn it around like this. Add the chopped onions. Saute them well. As always, add some salt to speed up the process of frying the onions. Fry for about a minute or two and they will turn translucent just like these. Once they do so, add the dry fruits. Notice that we have not used too much fat, so with the fat left in the pot, we want to make sure that the dry fruits get fried nicely. Now they look good and done, so this is when we'll add the teaspoon of coconut oil. The coconut oil we've used is mainly for flavor and we are not necessarily looking to cook with the coconut oil. Now add the ginger and garlic paste. Again, saute it and fry it for some time so that the raw flavors go away. Let's start adding the spices. Add turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and fry well. Saute like this for about a minute or so. Let's go ahead and add our shrimps. Mix them well and coat all the masala with the shrimps. Scrape it from the bottom and take off everything and coat those shrimps well. This will take about 30 seconds or so. Now turn the flame to low and cook the shrimps for about 2 to 3 minutes. While those shrimps cook, I'm going to make the coconut milk, and this is how I'm doing it. Just adding the coconut powder to the water and stirring it, and there you go, have the coconut milk. If you can have a fresh version, even better. Now add the washed rice to the shrimp mixture and toss it well. Mix them really well. This should take less than a minute. Now turn the flame back to medium and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a mix in between. Now add the chopped tomato. Again, mix the tomato with the rice and shrimp mixture. Now add the coconut milk. For the half cup of rice, I have used cup and a half of coconut milk. Give it a good mix. You can smell the nice flavors coming from the pot. Now add all the remaining salt. Again, mix it well. Overall, this recipe takes less than 30 minutes or so from beginning to end, as long as you have all the ingredients. So if you want to eat something non-veg, try it out. Now let it come to a boil, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. And then again mix it. Once the mixture comes to a boil, put the lid on. Now turn the flame to medium-low and cook it for 2 whistles. The 2 whistles will approximately take anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now the pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's make sure that all the pressure is gone and open it. Wow, it looks so amazing with red, yellow and those shrimps. Let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now let's check the consistency of the rice. You do notice that it has become a little sticky, exactly the consistency that I was looking for. So let's serve it in a plate. Add some clarified butter and it will taste so good. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.